Welcome to Spoken English Without Fear, the channel where you learn English in the easiest and most practical way. If you want to improve your speaking, confidence, and fluency, you are in the right place. Hey Neha, do you think learning English is still difficult for people nowadays?
Honestly, yes. Many people still struggle, especially with speaking. But I also think it's easier now because of technology.
Exactly. That's where AI tools come in. Have you ever tried them?
Not really. I've heard about AI but never used it for English learning. Can you explain?
Sure. The first tool is ChatGPT.
Oh, isn't that like you? A chatbot that talks?
Yes. With ChatGPT, you can practice conversations 24/7. For example, if you type, "Let's talk like we're in a job interview," it will ask you interview questions.
That's amazing. So I can practice without feeling shy?
Exactly. And it also corrects your grammar and suggests better words.
What about vocabulary? Sometimes I forget new words.
For that, Duolingo is perfect. It's a game-based app. You learn English by playing small quizzes, matching words, and practicing pronunciation.
That sounds fun. So instead of boring textbooks, it feels like a game?
Yes, that's why millions of people use it daily.
But Bikesh, my biggest problem is pronunciation. People don't understand my accent sometimes.
Then you should try ELSA Speak.
What's that?
It's an AI app that listens to your voice and tells you if your pronunciation is correct. It even shows which sound you need to improve.
Wow, like a personal English coach in your pocket.
Exactly.
I also make a lot of mistakes when I write emails.
Then Grammarly is your best friend. It corrects spelling, grammar, and even suggests better words.
So it's not just for students, but also for professionals?
Yes, anyone can use it. Especially if you write work emails or social media posts.
Sometimes I'm confused about how a word is pronounced in real life.
Then use Uglish. You just type a word, and it shows you videos where native speakers use it.
Oh, so I can hear real life pronunciation. That's helpful.
And don't forget YouTube. There are thousands of English channels with free lessons.
I also want to improve reading and listening.
Try LinkU. It gives you stories, news, and podcasts with translations. So you learn English in context.
Nice. That's better than only reading grammar rules.
Exactly.
Sometimes I don't know how to say a word in English.
Use Google Translate. It's simple and accurate now with AI.
But can it also speak?
Yes, it even speaks the word for you. And if you want, you can use AI voice tools to practice listening and shadowing.
Bikesh, this is incredible. Earlier, people needed expensive classes, but now AI tools can help for free.
Exactly. AI has made English learning simple, fun, and available for everyone.
So which tool should I start with first?
Start with ChatGPT for conversations, Duolingo for fun learning, and ELSA for pronunciation. Step by step, you'll see a big difference.
Thank you, Bikesh. This was so helpful.
Anytime, Neha. And to everyone watching, don't just listen, try these tools today and see the results yourself. Thanks for watching Spoken English Without Fear. Keep practicing daily, stay confident, and soon English will become your strength. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning videos.